Hey everyone, my name is Sloan.
I'm Sam.
We just got to Lanzarote, which is a part of the Canary Islands of Spain. We're gonna go see if we can rent a car, because why not?
And then we're gonna go for a camel ride.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna go now. You can see our Airbnb, it's so cute. Look how nice this view is. Anyways, yeah, that's our day today. Okay, so today's been quite the day already. We had tried going to multiple car stores to rent a car, but it just wasn't working out. We finally found one and we were just about to pay, and then I was like, oh, this is an automatic car, right? And he's like, no. Every car is manual that he rents out. So we're like, okay, well, that's not gonna work. So we quickly got a taxi and now we're on our way to the meeting point to go on our camel ride. So hopefully this works out. We just got our cowboy hats and they took our pictures, so we got a camel license. Super exciting.
Can't wait.
Yeah. And there's the camel, so probably go soon.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.
Okay, today we are gonna go do a tour of the volcanoes along with the wine tasting. So let's go.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming.
So today we're doing a boat trip. All we know is it's 6 hours and that we get a lunch and there's an open bar.
And it's cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cold today, of course. Of all the days, today it's cold. So that's why we have jackets on and we're inside. But maybe if it gets warmer, we'll go upstairs.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed. But yeah, so we're just going around the island and we'll see what we do. We don't know.